Now let's talk about the subscribe or the submit button. Okay, the submit button is just allowing us to send the information, okay, to the server. So I have something of already. Okay, so this is the input type test. We want an email. Okay, we want the person to subscribe to our, let's say, email list, to be getting newsletters from us. Okay, the type is submit. So I told you the submit is just used in sending our information. Okay, so after you fill in the form, you click on what, submit, to finally what, submit those all the information you have entered in those fields above. Okay, so that's the submit button. The submit button also may appear differently on different devices. Okay, we have saved our work. Now this is the what, the submit button or the subscribe, you see. So you can type submit. Let me just type submit. You see submit, you save, you see submit to this format, you see submit here. So anything I type, let's say I type my email and I'll click on submit. Okay, so it will still take me to what, to the example.com. Alright, so let me go back to the subscribe to our email list. We're going to talk about how to use image. Okay, to use image buttons. Okay, image buttons as our subscription buttons. Okay, image buttons as subscription buttons. So assuming you want to use an image button, I have some codes already here. I don't have a submit button. I will have to either design one or download one. I'm using these dimensions. Let me reduce this to 100 to 20 and leave this at 100. Let me just use any of my images as I'm just improvising. So let me just say bar. Let me just use my banner. Let me see how it's going to appear. Control S to save. Refreshing my button. Let me refresh. Let me scroll down. This is how my submit button is going to appear. So after typing in my email, Sewuni group, okay, let me just use 71717@gmail.com. I click on submit button. So you have to look for a proper submit button. You can use a proper dimension. If you think my dimension is not favorable, you have the liberty to do your own changes.